Clearing your search history on Stripe can help maintain your privacy and keep your account organized. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Access your Stripe account by entering your credentials on the Stripe login page. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Stripe dashboard. This is where you can manage your account settings and transactions. Step 3. Access search history. Look for the search bar at the top of the dashboard. Click on it to reveal your recent search history. Step 4. Clear individual searches. Hover over the search entries you wish to remove. You should see an option to delete or clear individual searches. Click on this option for each entry you want to remove. Step 5. Clear all search history. If you want to clear all your search history at once, look for a clear all or delete all option in the search history section and confirm your choice. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Stripe. Regularly doing this can help keep your account tidy and secure.